Ford again. We're here to discuss some of the things that can go wrong with your vehicle, and one of the first indicators to a customer that something may be amiss with your vehicle is a noise. For instance, if you're going over bumps, train tracks, and you're hearing clunks, perhaps you've got Alan in the car with you, or something could be really wrong with your suspension. You should get it into us if it doesn't sound right. Perhaps you're braking and you're getting a weird vibration or a squeal. Squeak, 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 squeak. It could be a mouse under your dash, it could be Alan, or it could be a really good indication that something's going on in your brake system. Perhaps your engine's not running right and you've got a mist and it doesn't feel right. It's running rough and it's making some kind of weird noises with an engine mist. That would be a really good indication that it's time to give us a call. Judy at Carleton Ford, 257-3988. That's how we do it here at Carleton Ford.
Conk, 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 squeak, squeak, squeak.